Film thought of the day. Why I'm even yelling? Because that's what I'm going to talk about. What's one of the most important things? Oh, by the way, what are we doing? We're in the back of Soundstage 2 doing the thermal insulation layer. We haven't done the sound dampening insulation layer for the back of the studio system in Soundstage 2, what we call Building 2. What's the most important aspect in filmmaking? A lot of people will say it's the acting, it's the story. There's one thing that's more important than all that, because if you don't get it right, it's going to suck no matter what, and that's sound. Now, we've just purchased this DJI Mic Mini. Very inexpensive, but you're going to see a test here, because I did this before and I thought, if we're going to use a cell phone, we got to get better sound. Listen to this, and then we'll come back to it. We're in Myrtle Beach at the site of the world's largest duck. It's big, it's impressive, it's that big. But when you're making an independent film and you're limited on budgets, don't try to go for the big, impressive shots as far as CG and all that. Make your script good, get great actors, and have good sound. Because if you have something like that in the background, it's going to suck. You can see how important sound is. When you have bad sound, it can ruin your entire video, your movie. In fact, remember, sound is used as a torture device. It's that intrusive to the brain. Your brain cannot correct for bad sound. It can correct for a bad picture to a certain degree. You can kind of overlook bad acting to a certain degree. You don't want it. Or a bad storyline, but sound is actually used as a torture device. That's how intrusive it is and how it can destroy a great film. The HVAC machine's running. We don't have dampers on that yet. It's just to cool the place. You heard this lift coming down, which beeps extremely loud. If we were running off the camera, it would be an awful, awful sound, especially if you're trying to create a video that looks that way. Sound, sound, sound. Invest in good sound equipment. Get what you can afford, and then go beyond that a little bit. Pull back from a few other things. Make sure that your production has great sound. You will never be disappointed. And once you buy good sound equipment, it's good for a long time. Cameras, they get outdated pretty quick. Sound equipment stays. Most important thing about filmmaking, sound.